I received this really nice microphone set. It's a professional recording microphone set, as a matter of fact. It comes with everything you need to record, also to talk to gamers, to do live streaming. It comes with every part you need to attach to the table or whatever you're attaching it to while you're playing your game. Here's everything you need. It has instructions. It's USB-A and USB-C, as you can see. And look how cool it is. I love the colors. It's so cool. And so that's it attached to the desk. Or doing your live stream. And it also can be used for your podcast. And it also has a tabletop version you can put it in if you would rather do that.